Good afternoon. Once again, we're going to discuss the present continuous tense, but today we're going to take a look at some aspects of grammar that we haven't seen in the previous video yet. Let's start. Now, in the previous video, we have already seen what the present continuous is used for. But how do you form it? Well, I've got good news for you. It's actually quite simple. You just take the present simple of to be, which is a verb and a tense that we've already seen, so that shouldn't be a big problem, and you add the present participle, or easily put, the ing form. Have you forgotten how to form the present simple of to be? That's no problem at all. Here's a reminder for you. So we use I am, you are, he or she or it is, we are, you are, they are. So as you can see, the plural forms and the second person singular are all the same. They all are. You just have to remember that it's I am and he, she and it is. So we know the first part of the present continuous, the present simple of to be, but we also need the ing form. It's also quite easy to form actually, because you just need the infinitive without to, so we call this the zero infinitive, and we add ing. So for example, I am eating, the verb, the zero infinitive is eat, and we just add ing, so that isn't too difficult. Same goes for laugh. Laugh is the infinitive. Without to, you add ing and you get laughing. Sleeping, cooking, asking, walking. That isn't too hard, I think. However, you need to keep some rules in mind when you do the spelling of the present continuous, because there are several verbs who need a little bit of extra attention. For example, the verbs that end in a consonant plus e. What do we do then? We take away the e and we add ing. So for example, to dance would become I am dancing, but we left the e out. Same goes for joking. It ends in a consonant plus e, so we leave the e out and we add ing. Same goes for close and move, moving without e. It's not hard, but you need to know this. Another rule you need to remember concerning the present continuous is about verbs that end in ie. What do we do then? We leave out the ie and change it into a y, and then we add ing. Now there aren't a lot of verbs that end in ie, but you still need to know this rule. For example, the verb to die, it ends in ie, so we change that ie into a y and we add ing. And to lie becomes lying with a y and then an ing. There's one rule left, and that last one says that verbs that end in a single stressed vowel followed by a consonant, then you need to double that consonant and add ing as we always do. That sounds very difficult, but we're going to have a look at some examples and then it will become clear. To clap, the a into clap is a single stressed vowel, and that's why, which is followed by a consonant, and that's why we double the p. To nod, same thing as with to clap. It's a single stressed vowel that is followed by a consonant. Then we double that consonant, which in this case is the d. Now, these aren't that hard because there's only one vowel, so that's the only one that can be stressed. But to begin, there are two vowels, so then you really need to listen which one of them is stressed. To begin clearly is the I, and that's why we double the N as well. Okay? Same goes for to expel. I am expelling. The E is stressed, and that's why we double the L. Okay, now you know everything there is to know about the present continuous, and you're ready to do some exercises.